Today, as you know, you're here all to see these two amazing presentations from Nabil Orfali and Seneca Malmas. They will show how you can use artificial intelligence and Kaju, a product built by their company, to migrate from traditional MVC to headless XM Cloud or not in a short time of period. And Peter Mitev is going to present how to use Content Hub workflows to help managing your DAM. Cool. So that's the agenda. I should have make a better rehearsal on that. That's the agenda. Few announcements. I will not take a lot of your time, and thanks for everyone who is still coming. But I have to tell some things, right? And to start with, the MVP announcements are scheduled to happen very soon. They will be tentatively announcing all the results by mid this month. And if you are not aware yet, if you have not been communicated, then that means you are not selected because the MVPs, they are already have been communicated, but they are under NDA. So surprise for the next edition. Oh yeah, SUG-BR Europe is coming soon in April 11 and 12 in Dublin. The link that you see on screen is there to give you a lot of information about how to book your tickets, book your hotel, and also the agenda. The agenda has been officially disclosed. There's a lot of to be defined still, but they're announcing and everything in the next coming weeks or so. It's amazing. I would say it's amazing opportunity to learn from what is happening. SUG-Cons are normally more technical and less business. So if you want to learn more about Sitecore, it's amazing opportunity because in the beginning of the SUG-Cons, they have a lot of training courses that you can apply. They are all optional. And other than that, you have amazing sessions and amazing speakers. They will be out there. Anyone this call is going to present at the next SUG-Con? Nope.
Not us.
Okay,
or
that's bad.
Maybe. We don't know yet, but
you don't know yet? Yeah, like I said, there's a lot of to be defined. Welcome, Alvaro. Nice to see you here, man. Shh, secret. Not yet. Okay. The Sitecore Accelerate has been disclosure has been released right before or close to the Christmas. And for those who don't know, the Accelerate, don't confuse that with Sitecore Experience Accelerator. It's meant to give best practices from Sitecore on how to build projects using XM Cloud and the composable products from Sitecore. They are starting with XM Cloud, Content Hub, and moving there. It's open; everybody can learn. I will encourage anyone to learn by visiting this URL. But along with that, Sitecore is coming as well with this accelerator enablement for partners, meaning that if you are a Sitecore partner and you go through the accelerator and you learn everything and you adapt your processes to comply with this, then you will be certified. You have to go and certify a number of your employees into some of the key certificates from them, namely XM Cloud and Content Hub, personalized. I think there's a few there. That's, in my opinion, amazing opportunity, I think, to quite of standardize the way people develop inside Core, because I would say this is close to what they have done with Helix. The purpose is quite the same, but in a higher level, not just in the technical level, but also in the strategy It covers everything since the discover, how you should organize your Git repository, how you should organize your content, continuous integration, continuous delivery. It's quite interesting. I think it's coming to, if you know, if I think it's coming to give you, in the future, we'll have two types of partners in Sitecore, right? The ones that are like A class and B class. I will say if you are certified with Accelerate partners, for partners, you have a bigger chance to, show up in the market because you have, in other words, the sign up from Sitecore, the approval from Sitecore on a quality. Feel free to jump in if you want to comment, okay? We still have time. I don't have a lot, actually. All right, XM Cloud Forms has been also launched recently, and that was a very new one release. If you don't know what Sitecore XM Cloud Forms is, it's pretty much the replacement of the old Sitecore Forms from the XM XP and XM platform. And it's much more than that, because in the past, when you had a form in Sitecore Forms, you are actually limited. If you're not doing any trick, any workaround, you are limited to use that form only in a Sitecore page. But in this case now, it's a cloud-first system. So you can use in a Sitecore page, but you can also use anywhere. You can embed that form in even static pages, WordPress, or whatever, any other vendors. And that's exciting. The community has reacted with a lot of excitement as well. As you can see, it's justifiable. You have amazing ways of reusing and accelerating your creation of forms by having templates. And it comes out of the box with a good number of them. And also you have great ways of building forms quickly with these fields that you see on screen and many more. It's also something that used to be there in Sitecore Forms before, but here I think it's more flexible, and they are going to, because it's a cloud, it's a SaaS system, they are going to be updating this very often. So it's just basically drag and drop and change CSS styling. You have in the right here how to define styling and etc. layout settings. It's a very good release that everybody's very excited to have. Okay, so you see that right, top right logotype, Go Horse, right? That's, for those who don't know, it's myself and José's hackathon team. It started as a hackathon team, and it's still a hackathon team, but we are doing much more than just a hackathon. We are now having our own compilation of knowledge base. If you go and browse gohorse.tech, you will now be able to see that our thoughts are all there. This image has been generated with artificial intelligence, and we are using Sitecore and Sitecore Connect, in our case, to read everybody's RSS feed. José, myself, João, all members, we do have our blogs. And automatically when we post, we have Sitecore Connect, reading our RSS and posting a new promo post. So everybody who in our team, every time we post anything, that post will be promoted in the gohorse.tech. That's one of our experiments. We're playing with AI and content generation these days. So you're welcome to come and visit our website. You're more than welcome to do that. Welcome, Bala. Nice seeing you here, man.